Hi, Farmer Dean here, and I'm going to make my salsa today to can. And I've used 10 cups of tomatoes, 5 cups of green pepper, which are red pepper because that's all I have in the garden, 5 cups of onions, cup and a half of vinegar, and of course it's apple cider vinegar, and then 2.5 cups of hot pepper. Now let me tell you a secret about hot peppers. If you don't want it real hot, take the seeds out and take out also the veins. I like mine really hot, so I keep them all in there. I have really bad knife skills, so I use Full Star to do all my chopping, and you can see how great it does and how quick it does it. So I've got everything mixed together. Depending on how thick or thin you want this, you can set it on here for 35 minutes, just get it heated up, then can it. Or you, like me, I like mine really thick. It'll probably be on here for an hour and a half, maybe 2 hours to evaporate a lot of that juice, because I like my salsa really thick. Then I will can it. As you can see, we got this bubbling already. I'm gonna stir this up a little bit. It's just simmer nice. I'm gonna make it a lot thicker. Now, if you like thin, this is the perfect time to take it off and can it. As you can see, I got it boiling pretty good now, and it's to the consistency I want. I started way up here and I boiled it down all the way to here. I simmered it down, I should say. So it's exactly how I want to do it. And I'm excited. All I have to do now to finish this off is put it in some pint jars and I'm all set. OMGs, is this going to be some great eating with those taco chips.